mashed potatoes. Okay, so we have ingredients. We have 1 package of mashed potatoes, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 cups of water, and a few shakes of salt and pepper for taste. And here you see where we have certain types of things we use. I use the Idahoan buttery mashed potatoes. That's what the 2 cups of water are for. So I would suggest to use that, or you can use any kind or flavor, just that style. Idahoan, we use 2 cups. Okay. And for utilities, what you would need is 1.5 to 2 quarts pan, a stirring spoon, a measuring spoon, and also a measuring cup. And you will also need a stove to cook it on. Say that. And here is just showing you what we need. Well, alright, we're back, and okay, as far as the instructions, you place 2 cups of water in the 1.5 to 2 quart pan, and therefore you will turn the stove on, and you will add some salt for taste. I like to add a little more because, I don't know, but anyway, you bring that to a boil. Then also you take the butter and you take 1 tablespoon and you cut that. We'll have that for the butter, and like I said, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Alright, now that we have our butter and our sour cream, bam, we're almost ready. Okay, now that we have our boiling water, we will turn the stove off and we will sit this to the side. Alrighty. Now we will take our butter, our sour cream, and our mashed potatoes. And the white pepper, of course. And that should be what we need to mix in the water. So there we have our mashed potatoes, our butter, the sour cream, boop. Then you add the pepper, white pepper. I like white pepper. You can use black pepper as well. I just chose white pepper. I don't like to see the black pepper sometimes. But as we are stirring, and this is our finished result. Simply delicious mashed potatoes, and you can also use any type of condiments to go along with it, and I chose mozzarella cheese. You can use anything you want. Thanks, and remember to subscribe to me. Thanks.